Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna unpack the amazing knife set from Parkside, 33 pieces. If you're wondering what is Parkside, this is one of my favorite brands because I'm a Parkside girl. Parkside is a brand of Lidl and they have cheap and budget solutions and a lot of stuff that you can find in Lidl. And I found this majestic knife kit that I'll open my big boxes with. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, this one is super cool. It is sharp. I will show you how sharp it is. Did you see, guys? This is very sharp knife. It's perfect. Dangerous. It looks cool. Here we have. Wow, that's so kind of them. We have extra blades. So when this one gets dull, we can change it. Everybody needs a knife like this. I know you're opening a lot of big boxes. For example, a new fridge comes or a new dishwasher and you need a very nice and sharp knife to open. This one is the best solution. Then we have this little one here. It's tiny, for tiny boxes. It's also sharp. All of them are super sharp, but I think the size of the knife you use is for the boxes. This is for smaller one, this is for bigger one. This is more like universal one, it looks like. And of course we have a blades for this one also to change. Oh, they're very sharp, gotta be careful. And then the biggest one is this one. This is industrial one, I would say. Again, very sharp and very beautiful. You know, they're with all of them with different kind of blades, more like father, and this is just a baby. And one more refilling set. This is the best knife set you can get for your house. Knife for everything. No, you can't cut meat with it. Thank you guys for watching this small knife show review. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will find a link and put you these amazing knives in the description.